Thanks for taking a look at the Finance Manager from EasySheets. My name is Josh, and I'll be giving you a brief overview. The Finance Manager is a simple yet powerful tool designed for individuals and small businesses. It was created to streamline the way you track your finances without overwhelming you with unnecessary features. By using the Finance Manager, you'll be able to effortlessly track your income and expenses, gaining valuable insights that will empower you to make well-informed financial decisions. It's designed to work within Google Sheets, making it easily accessible to anyone with a Google account. Don't worry if you don't have a Google account yet. It's quick and easy to create one for free. Alright, let's jump in. When you open the template, you'll notice different tabs at the bottom, including Income, Expenses, and Reports. There's also an Instructions tab and a Sample tab that includes sample data. You can play around with this to help familiarize yourself with the template's functionality. Let's take a look at the Income tab. Adding your income is easy. Just head to the Data Entry section, expand the relevant month, and enter your transaction details. The categories and payment methods are all customizable. As you enter transactions, the monthly total will automatically update, and you'll also notice the total annual income updating as well. In the Analysis section, you can track your annual, monthly, and quarterly income by category and payment method. The charts will dynamically update as you input more data, giving you real-time insights. The Expenses tab functions in a similar way. As you enter transactions in the Data Entry section, the totals will dynamically update, enabling you to monitor and analyze your expenses efficiently. Moving over to the Reports tab, you'll find a concise and printable summary of the totals from the income and expenses. You can adjust the time frames as needed, and the data will be automatically populated. This comes in handy during tax season or whenever you want a quick overview of your finances. And that's it. Thanks again for taking a look at the Finance Manager from EasySheets. If you have any questions or would like to explore any further customization options, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at easysheets.co.